Hey Penny Pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with these quick and easy, beautiful Dollar Tree DIY candle holders. If you want to see how I put it together, you know what to do. Just keep on watching. The items you will need for this project are some Dollar Tree ornaments of your choice. In this case, I've chosen this gold angel as well as some silver snowflakes. You will also need your hot glue gun for this project. You will also need some cylinder vases from the Dollar Tree as well as some small candle holders. After cleaning off my snowflake and my vase, I'm just going to add some hot glue to the back of the snowflake, just like so. And if you want a more permanent hold, guys, go ahead and use E6000 or any other epoxy that's going to really maintain a hold. In this case, I'm just using the hot glue. And then I am going to press it up right against the vase. And always ensure that you press it and hold it in place for a little while until it sets. And after repeating the same step for the second vase, this is what they look like. Absolutely gorgeous. I wanted to add a little more to it, so I'm using this glitter ribbon tape that is also from the Dollar Tree, and I've already cut a couple of strips, and I'm just going to put it around the vase until it meets with the ornament. And guys, I did this backwards. You can absolutely add the tape first. The tape is self-adhesive and has a peel-away backing, which makes for easy application. Now for my third vase, I went ahead off camera and added the angel using my hot glue gun. And just in case I failed to mention in the beginning, these vases are 3 different heights. Just like I added the strip of glitter ribbon to the other vases, I'll be using this strip of faux fur that I got from the Dollarama a while back, and I'll be adding the strip around the third vase to match the angel's wing. And this is what it looks like, guys, after adding the fur using the hot glue gun. I'm just going to trim it up a little bit and move into the final step, which is to add the candle holder for elevation. And then we're going to go ahead and style our candle holders. And here we are, guys. This is the way I've chosen to style them. I think they turned out absolutely gorgeous. I've added some flameless candles to them, as well as you can see at the very bottom. I went ahead also and added some faux snow from a leftover project that I did, and I think it turned out great. And here is the third candle with the angel. I went ahead and added a flameless candle to this one as well and styled it with 2 more angels that I recently hauled. And if you haven't seen that haul, I will leave a link below for you to check it out. I got some pretty neat stuff for Christmas. But guys, this is what this one looks like, and I think it also turned out great. And that is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I do hope you enjoyed this quick, simple, and easy DIY, and you will try doing one of your own. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you stopping by and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. Now don't you forget to hit that notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload videos such as this. And to all my oldies but goodies, my lovely Penny Pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi saying bye-bye.